Good day guys, and welcome to this channel, Diliso Ace Review. In this video, I'm going to teach you guys how to keep your important messages in your Gmail. In order for you guys not to delete, especially when you have a lot of messages, and usually we have to delete it all, and sometimes accidentally we may able to delete also the messages which are very important for us, and we forgot to skip or not include those important messages. So for us to avoid that, guys, I'm going to teach you how to do it in this video. So just follow, guys. Let me open my Gmail. So here we are, guys. So in order for us to avoid to accidentally delete our important messages, guys, when still in those images are still here in primary, social, or promotions. So what we are going to do, guys, is to transfer those messages aside from here, this folders, guys. So what we are going to do is to move those important messages into another folder aside from this, guys. So like for example, we will choose this one, Stephen James. So we will click the box, guys, and then options are given. So you will choose this for this, guys, move to. So you have to click that one, and it will give you the options where to just like mine. I have already made some folders, personalized folders, guys, like this. I want this, mine, and stay. So if you want to move this, guys, just click those folders that you have already made. So like this, I will click this one and it will transfer, guys. See, now we will find it here if it's really transferred. So here, guys, we can see here's Stephen James. I have already transferred it into I want this folder. So therefore, guys, even if you will delete this all messages from primary, social, it already saved our important messages because you have already transferred it into our personalized folder. So if you're going to ask how did I do it, guys, make my own folder, so I will show you again. So let's say we will choose this one, click the box, and then move to. So instead, guys, we will go here, create new. So create new, and then name it whatever you want, guys. So let's say here, and then press the create, and it will transfer to the new folder that you have created. So let's find it here, guys. So here's the new folder here. So here's the mic, guys. So that's it, guys. That's the one thing, features in this Gmail in order for you to avoid deleting accidentally those important messages, guys. So if you like this video, guys, and if it's find it useful for you, please press the like button and subscribe for more videos like this, and don't forget to press the notification bell so that you will be updated for new videos that I be going to make, guys. So by the way, guys, if you want to know, just in case you didn't know yet, if you want to know how to delete all messages from here, primary and social or promotions, just comment below, guys, and we will see if we can make those video guys, that video guys, in order to delete all messages in just one click guys. Okay, thank you and goodbye.